In this question, we have 3 people and they were paid a total of $780. Person M worked for 15 hours, person N worked for 20 hours, and it's given in the question that person O worked for 30 hours. So the total number of hours which was required to complete this particular job was 15 plus 20 plus 30, which is equal to 65 hours. So for 65 hours of work, a total of $780 was paid. All right. So for 1 hour, how much dollars would have to be paid? You have to divide this by 64 and 65, and you have to divide this side by 65. So over here 65 by 65 gives you 1. So for 1 hour, 780 by $65. So this is the number of dollars to be paid for 1 hour of work. Now in the question, we are asked to find out how much person M is paid. Now person M worked for 15 hours. So if the wage for 1 hour is 780 by 65, the cost for 15 hours will be 15 into 780 by 65, right? So this simplifies. Over here you can take out 5, so you get 3 by 13, and over here you can cut 13 from the numerator and denominator, and you get 60 over here. So the total is 60 into 3, which is equal to $180, which is answer option D. Now let's check what is being tested in this question. This question is based on ratios and proportions. All right, so let's say you're asked to divide 100 in the ratio 1:2:7, right? So that's similar to this question, right? In this question we were asked to divide 780 in the ratio 15:20:30. Again, we didn't have to do that. We just had to find the appropriate value for M, which is for 15 hours. But let's say you're asked to divide 100 in the ratio 1:2:7. So how would you do it? So this is X, this is 2X, this is 7X. So the total is 7 plus 2 plus 1, which is 10X, right? So 10X is equal to 100 and X would be equal to 10. So over here, this is 10, 2X is 20 and 7X is 70. So you should know to divide any number into any proportion. Now do check the description to know more about my GMAT Math live bootcamps and my one-day workshops, and do subscribe to this channel to get notified when I release the next video. All the best in your preparation.